just dropped a new release on my brand. Just dropped some new hoodies, jet tags, air fresheners. The jet tags look like this, pretty fire. They're embroidered. So yeah, you know, if that interests you, make sure y'all go tap in with me. Helps the channel a lot. Shit helps me grow a lot. So appreciate y'all fucking with me. Just shipped out a bunch of your guys' orders, so I appreciate you guys for that. But yeah, let's get to the video. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Appreciate you tuning in. In today's video, we got little gifts for the Civic. You know, it's December, it's Christmas time. So this company actually sent me out a new head unit and underseat subwoofer for the Civic. So that is super dope. It's all thanks to you guys watching. You know, this company reached out, super appreciative to work with them. So this subwoofer came in perfect. On the drive to Cars and Coffee, y'all might have heard the music when I was playing. It sounded pretty trash, and that's because on the drive there I blew the sub. So this came perfect timing. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this head unit. Just the model right here, F7WE CS101SW, super sick. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. There goes Civic, looking good as ever, just a little bit dirty. Washed it and forgot to wipe the windows, but yeah, let's get right into it. Showing y'all what I got right now. So this is a current setup right here. If you have a Civic, you know these freaking vents always break. This is my second time replacing this console thingy, but yeah, these fucking vents don't last. They're brittle, they're old, but I'll find a new one. What I was additionally gonna do was I was gonna do the 99-2000 conversion, where it has like the doubled in and then you relocate this to the bottom, where it has like the AC on the side. But I guess something about the vents, it doesn't fit with like the aftermarket replacement that you can get off Amazon or eBay or whatever. So I'm not doing that. Company offered to send me out a double din, but I just opted with the single din with the screen that they have, which I'm gonna show you guys right now when I unbox it. Just want to show you guys the current setup that I have. And also, guys, before we start, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. That's just dope. I've only put up 6 videos and we're already hitting 500. We got companies hitting me up trying to, you know, review their products. Super dope. Appreciate you guys. Just wanted to, you know, cut right here, let you guys know that I appreciate you guys watching. You know, hope you guys continue tuning in. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's start with the sub. Let's see what all comes in here. Let's see. Boom. All right, so right away we open it. We got the wiring, you know, we got the harness, you know, everything to make everything work. Got a ground, whatever. Boom. I think it's like a controller for the bass. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. You guys see it right here. Boom. Instruction manual, some double-sided tape, or some, I think this is like some Velcro, some brackets, some screws, you know, the usual. But here's the sub itself. Let's go ahead and take it out. It's pretty heavy, honestly. It's pretty heavy for what it is. You know, it looks pretty good. Honestly, from what it feels like, obviously you guys are just watching, you guys can't really feel it, but pretty high quality, heavy. It's got the built-in amp, like I was telling you guys. This is more of like just a daily use, you know, just, you know, to have a little bit more bass in your music. Nothing too crazy. I know a lot of you audio heads watching this are probably like, that shit is trash or whatever, but bruh, if you, I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, this looks fire. Super appreciate it. Send me this. Let's set that to the side. Get started with the head unit. Let's see. All right, so we got the manual, some other stuff. Boom, manual. Boom. All right, comes with the harness, you know, the RCA adapters, brackets, you know, to mount it. Oh, I guess you can also, it's for like when you're on the phone, I guess, connect this. Another bracket, I believe. And then this is the actual head unit. Let's get it out of here. But I'm super excited for this, to be honest. I've never had a screen in the Civic, so it's pretty sick. Look, single din with a 5-inch, supposed to Apple Carplay, Android Carplay, all that navigation. So we're gonna go ahead and see this. I just showed you guys my previous setup, so this is a big upgrade, you know. So super glad that they sent this out to me. So I got it out the plastic little so you guys can see it. Oh shit, y'all can see, but y'all see this setup, bro. 500 subscriber trial. We've been to buy a camera, so we will be buying a camera probably in the next couple of videos. But yeah, y'all keep running me up, you know, quality's gonna get better, all that. So yeah, so it looks like fire for the most part. I'm honestly impressed for what it is, to be honest. So shit, we're gonna start taking apart the inside. Let's do it. You know the basics. So whenever you're working on anything audio related or electric, you always want to disconnect the battery. I had already previously loosened it. So let's go ahead and take this off. Boom. So that's disconnected. We don't gotta worry about it anymore. So yeah. Let's get this steering wheel out the way. So we got more room to work with. And yeah, let's just go ahead and start removing this. Gonna go ahead and start removing this. So it's been a couple minutes. This is a progress. Went ahead, took out the single DIN, got the AC removed. Technically don't need to take this out, so I'm gonna just let it sit right here. It just mounts to the back of this center console thing. But yeah, dude, it really bothers me that these vents broke. On my previous one, it was broken as well, and I got this one off the junkyard. Just the same thing. The fucking vents broke again, so gonna be replacing this soon. Gonna do a yard run soon, probably make a video on that. But this is the progress so far. I want to show you guys. This is the previous wiring. Trash ass wiring. I don't even want to hear it. I don't even know what the fuck I was thinking. This shit is garbage. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and install the new harness and everything. The harness right here. This is what we're gonna be wiring up first and figure out. It's for RCAs, I believe. So gonna read a little bit of the manual. We'll see how that goes. And then yeah, we got the harness connection right here, a little diagram. So honestly, if you got a brain, you can figure it out. So this is where we at. I went ahead and disconnected the harness. This harness is like a universal harness, not universal, but it's for this car. It's like an adapter, and this is the harness that was on the single DIN that I previously had. And then we have the new harness that we're gonna wire up, but we're not gonna do it like this. This is jinky as fuck. I can't believe this is how it was. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up, or if it's not savable, I might get a new one, but I'm pretty sure I can clean this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and you know, wire this up properly and use. But I had the antenna cable right here, but if you guys saw in the previous video when I was doing body work, I deleted it, so I need to just take the rest of it out. I had unplugged it from there. I just need to take the rest of it out, so I don't have it there anymore. This is the power cable. This is where that adapter connects to. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean this harness up. Yeah. I went ahead and brought the harness inside. Use some little degreaser just to clean up the harness a little bit. This is all like electrical tape residue. This is a new harness. One hand is separated what I need and what I don't need. This is like wheel key, steering wheel, rear camera, stuff like that I don't have, so I don't need it. So this is what we do have on the other harness. Obviously it's flagged. This says what it is, exactly what it is over here. So we just made it back from Harbor Freight, from getting what we needed. Finished wiring up the harness. I use these shrink butts, and then I'm gonna go ahead and electro tape them just because after. But y'all can see connections are good. Not how it was at the beginning. So now I just gotta connect this accessory one to that accessory one to this accessory one, and then yeah, we'll probably see this shit turn on for the first time. As y'all can see, we just finished with the harness, and then I just connected to the head unit itself. I haven't tried it, but I just plugged in the battery. That's why we got the light on. But it's a moment of truth. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Gotta play with it a little bit, see. So yeah, there it is, all powered up. Apple CarPlay. That's pretty sick, honestly. I ain't gonna lie. Pretty satisfied with the result. Came out clean. Doesn't look too bad. Don't mind these broken ass vents. We're gonna replace that soon. But yeah, it looks clean. I mean, if you don't want to do that conversion, because I know you gotta do like the JDM vents or some shit like that, but I ain't trying to do all that, at least not right now. So this is perfect. You know, something a little bit extra. Looks pretty sick. Works perfectly fine. So right now we're about to remove this whole center console, so run the wires for the sub. So we got everything that comes with it. We got the power right here. We got, so this harness right here, this on that connects to the main harness, we're not going to use it because it's, I guess, if you don't use RCAs, but we are going to be using RCA cables. This blue one is like for accessories, so I'm gonna run this one with this one to the head unit, so when I turn the ignition, it gives power. And then just a simple ground plug in, and then it comes with like a base controller. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So yesterday I didn't put this back, I didn't take this out at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out right now, and then remove just the head unit to connect to the accessory, and then from there we should be ready to go. So I got the power cable ran to the battery. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just running this this blue wire to the accessory side of the you know, where you turn the ignition on, radio turns on, sub turns on. I'm gonna run it through here, and then yeah.
1 eternity later.
Top of the morning, guys. So I'm gonna install this D&D steering wheel into the Civic real quick. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap out this NRG wheel for this D&D wheel. I had this on previously. I just took it off just because I didn't want to ruin it, but honestly, it is what it is. With this type of material, it's bound to happen. So we're just gonna go ahead and swap it out because that pink one kind of matches the color of the wrap a little bit better. So all right, there we go. Let me just swap the wheel. What y'all think? Y'all fuck with this one or y'all fuck with the black NRG? I personally like the pink D&D. It adds and it matches the wrap color hella nice. But yeah, the head unit came out pretty sick. You know, Spotify right there. Where I mounted the sub right behind the passenger seat right here, more than enough. It also comes with like a bass controller, mounted it right here on the side. But yeah, for the most part, everything came out good. Fits perfect. I mean, blocks the vents just a little bit, but it ain't nothing crazy. Yeah, works perfectly. So super satisfied how this came out. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video right here. We finished the head unit install. We finished the underseat subwoofer. We installed new steering wheel on the Civic. New. I already had it before, but I just threw it back on just to switch it up. Let me know what you guys think about the head unit though. Would, you know, if y'all gonna cop that, let me know. That's honestly super satisfied with it. It's pretty sick. Apple CarPlay, navigation. Honestly, in a 90s car, bro, that's pretty clutch. Instead of having to always like use your phone and shit, this shit connects. Bluetooth, super fire. The subwoofer sounds super good for daily use. It sounds, you know, nothing too crazy, but it honestly enhances the, you know, your audio. But yeah, other than that, make sure you guys tap in with the brand. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and y'all stay tuned. You know, we already hit 500 subscribers. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers next. I know we could do it. Y'all been running me up. That's just fire. So let me know what kind of video ideas y'all got. I just filmed another video for you guys, so that's gonna be coming right after this one. Right now I'm gonna go ahead inside, gonna finish editing this one and upload it for you guys ASAP. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate you guys. You know, y'all the best. Hell yeah.